Indian aviation industry is the fastest growing aviation industry globally and one of the fastest growing sectors in the country. It is slated to become the third largest aviation market globally, with the private airlines accounting for more than 75% of the total industry. This ever-expanding aviation sector provides lucrative job opportunities in big numbers to the youth. There will be considerable expansion of existing airports and setup of 125 greenfield airports and increase of aircrafts from current 600 to 2000 in the next 10 years by both private and government airlines. Indian airlines and airport sectors are expected to witness investments over Rs 5.8 lakh crore, which will increase the opportunities in sector manifolds. As per Mr. Jayant Sinha, Minister of State for Civil Aviation, the expectation is to have 600 million passengers and a billion footfalls in the next 10 years. This would generate immense employment opportunities of more than 5 lakh people across various aviation services directly and over 3 million people indirectly. The employees become a part of the glamorous world wherein they meet and interact with the celebrities, high government officials, players, and many other renowned people who we desire to meet at least once in our lifetime. The environment that one gets to work in, the uniform one wears, and the challenging job scenarios help develop the overall personality of an individual. Aviation sector has opened avenues for aircraft maintenance engineers, cabin crew, technicians, and ground duty service officers. In 2003-2004, India had only 3 domestic airlines with 123 commercial jets. But today, the scenario has changed. Besides a plethora of Indian carriers like Indigo, Air Vistara, and many more, almost all major global airlines operate in India, like Emirates, Qatar Airways, Thai Airways, Malaysian Airways, to name a few, giving huge career growth prospects both in India and overseas in the airlines and airport sectors. Individuals having a scientific bent of mind, good communication and interpersonal skills, positive attitude and knowledge through experiences can consider a career as cabin crew. In addition to customer service executives, customer sales associates, ticket agents, avionics technicians, up to the level of an airport manager. These airline jobs can be secured with minimum qualification, which offers attractive pay packages besides the prestige, excitement, and several benefits that include free or discounted airfare for employee and his or her immediate family, life and medical insurance, and employee bonuses.
Welcome to iFly Academy's Aero Club. The purpose of making this particular video is I get a lot of calls from so many students that asking about, do you train students on pilot training, or else commercial pilot license what we have, or else people ask me about aircraft maintenance, people ask me about air traffic control. So guys, let me be very frank, till now I have not seen any video saying that these are the courses that the Academy offers. So today I am here to give you a general awareness about these particular courses. In aviation industry, there are 2 departments. One is technical department and the other one would be customer service. In technical department, you get courses, topics like pilot training, then you have air traffic control, then you have aircraft maintenance. So these are the courses that we do not offer, and you can please Google for further information. I have heard that there are a lot of institutes in Mumbai, Bangalore, and certain other places. So please, if anyone is trying to fake you some information saying that there are certain institutes in Visakhapatnam who train on pilot training, please say a strict no for that, because there are a lot of academies who are charging money for that particular course and fooling a lot of students. So coming back to our courses, we train the students on ground staff handling, which is completely a customer service department. In ground staff handling, we train the students about ticketing, baggage handling, then we have a boarding pass issue, we have announcement, we have RAM services, and these are the different departments that we train the student on. So the main course what we deal with is customer service. So boys and girls who are between 18 to 25 and who are looking to really work for international companies or also are really looking for working in an airport, please do visit our academy, because we have already started a batch and we have got so many admissions. So we request, if anybody else who is really looking for a bright future and they are passionate to work in an airport, please do visit our academy, which is in Dwarka Nagar 5th Lane. Our academy's name is iFly Academy. You can Google search and get the directions. In 15 days we are going to close the batch. So as I have posted this information in my previous videos also, we train only 30 students and till date we have placed all the students and we have given 100% placement to each and every student of ours. So our alumni is there to help you out for future, and after complete training we are going to place you in international airports, different international airports. Till date we have placed students in Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. So guys, students who are very much interested and are passionate to work in any of the international airports, please do come and visit. Your age should be between 18 to 25 and you should have passion to really work and prove yourself every single day. If you have that challenge, if you have these qualities, we have a challenge for you. We will train you for 6 months or 1 year depending upon your qualification and give you 100% placement assistance. Are you ready? Please walk into iFly Academy, which is in Dwarka Nagar 5th Lane. If you want to contact us over phone, please call us on this number 9848885237. The remaining details will be listed there in the video, or else we will be just mentioning the information there. Please do walk in as soon as possible. Have a nice day.
Pratyusha. I'm from Visakhapatnam and I'm studying in iFly Academy. It's been a wonderful experience over here. I've learned so much and the staff here are very friendly. They've been helping me with so much, like my communication skills. They've taught me discipline and grooming. It's like well known academy, and it's been 1 year I've been studying over here and I still wish I would be studying over here itself. It's been a wonderful experience here.
My name is Amrita Toleti. I am from iFly Academy, Visakhapatnam. I have done my 1 year course in aviation from iFly Academy. This academy made me good in my communication skills. It improved my confidence levels and it improved my grooming standards as well. And the staff here are very friendly and very cooperative. They made us feel very comfortable and it helps us a lot to improve as a person. So I will be very thankful for iFly Academy.
Hey guys, hello, I'm Meenakshi. I'm from iFly Academy Visakhapatnam and my aim is to be a part of aviation, and this academy gave me that opportunity to fulfill my aim. And the day one activity what we are performing till the date, we are enjoying it a lot and learning a lot, and I have experienced a lot from this academy and from each and every faculty. They are our best motivators and they are like our family members. And finally I got selected for Batra International India Private Limited, Chennai, and I am so much happy, so much thankful for this.
Hi, hello one and all. I'm Kalyani and I'm student of iFly Academy. iFly Academy, which gives 100% placement assistance. I'm very happy that telling that being a student of iFly Academy, I have got selected in Batra International Indian Private Limited in Chennai. iFly Academy gives good confidence levels with a good faculty. I'm very much thankful to iFly Academy.
Hi, I'm Shrija. I'm from Vizag. iFly Academy is one of the best academy. I got a placement in Batra International Indian Private Limited at Chennai. This academy gives us 100% placement and gives us bright future. Trust me guys, you are going to have fun in this academy.
Hi, I am Mohan. I am being a student in iFly Academy. I have learned so much. I used to be an introvert, and after coming here, I changed a lot. The staff here is very friendly, especially our instructor who was helped me to motivate myself. Thank you.
Join iFly Academy. It's a center for excellence.
Join iFly Academy. It's a center for excellence.
Join iFly Academy.
It's a center for
Excellence.
Join
iFly Academy.
It's a center for excellence.